Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Subaru Legacy fog light bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a flat surface with the engine off and the lights cooled down. You will need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket. Having your new bulb ready will make the process smooth and efficient. To access the fog light bulb, you'll need to get underneath the front of your Subaru Legacy. Locate the two plastic trim screws holding the under-vehicle cover in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the center of these clips, then remove the entire screw. Once these are out, you can gently pull back the plastic cover to reveal the fog light assembly. Now for the replacement. Gently turn the old fog light bulb counterclockwise, about 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn, to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the bulb straight out. Disconnect the electrical clip by pressing its release tab. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass directly. Connect the new bulb to the electrical clip, then insert it into the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it. With the new bulb installed, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully position the plastic under-vehicle cover back into place and secure it with the two plastic trim screws. Make sure all clips and screws are tightly fastened. Finally, turn on your Subaru Legacy and test the new fog light to ensure it's working correctly. If needed, adjust the beam direction using the adjustment screw.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.